If you're not getting any views, watch hours or subscribers, it's probably because you haven't turned off some features in your settings. I'm going to show you 2 features that you must turn off and 1 feature that you must turn on, or else you are hurting your growth on YouTube. Okay, so firstly let's head over to YouTube Studio. From the left panel, click on Settings, then select Channel and go to Advanced Settings. Now here you see a question: do you want to set your channel as made for kids? If this is not pre-selected, make sure to select No and turn this feature off. Unless you are producing content specifically for children, this feature must be turned off, otherwise the algorithm limits your reach mostly for children, which can negatively affect your growth. This is a default setting, by the way, meaning that you turn this off once and you don't need to select it every single time once you upload a video. Okay, now let's close this and move on to the second feature. This time go to Content, choose one of your videos and select Details. Scroll down until you see the Altered Content section. This section is for telling YouTube that whether your content is generated with AI or not. Now every time you upload a video, you need to choose one of these answers here. According to this description, to follow YouTube's policy, you are required to tell YouTube if the content is altered, meaning that if it is AI generated, including any realistic AI generated sounds or visuals, and so on. Now you must also turn this setting off unless you are creating AI generated content based on this information here. And you can view some examples here from this link to have a better understanding of what applies as AI generated and what doesn't. YouTube gives here us additional information under this table. You can find some examples that what is required to give a disclosure and what doesn't. If you need more information, make sure to check out this page, and you can also find here additional information under this article. But whether you are making AI generated content or not, please don't leave this empty and just tell YouTube the necessary information. Now there is one thing you absolutely must do, which is verifying your channel. Because if your channel isn't verified, YouTube's algorithm might think your channel is a bot and therefore you won't get views. Especially new channels have this problem. They upload videos on YouTube constantly, but they're not getting views just because YouTube thinks their channel is a bot. Also, unverified channels cannot use every feature that YouTube gives to the creators. One more time, from YouTube Studio, go to Settings, select Channel, and then go to Feature Eligibility. Here you will find additional features YouTube gives to creators. Now under Intermediate Features, you will find whether your phone number is verified. I think this is the best way to verify your channel, and after you verify your phone number, you will also be able to use the intermediate features. If you haven't done it yet, please verify your channel immediately so YouTube is not gonna think that your channel is a bot. So once your settings is set up correctly, the next milestone is to start getting subscribers. And we're gonna talk more about it in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.